Hi lovely friends, many people on the internet searching how to raise vibration, how to raise frequency. But nobody exactly not give information how to do it. They say you should listen calm music, sit in lotus pose, meditation, listen mantras, but it's not really help. Like if in your vibration something not good, means you should switch vibration to another one, switch your frequency to another one. In one frequency have friends but don't have money, in another have money but don't have happiness, and third one have successful but don't have super abilities, and more one frequency have super abilities but don't have something else. So you should decide by yourself which frequency you want and then switch your frequency to another one. So that video about how to switch your frequency from one to another one. As example, I will take frequency 5. It's not real frequency, it's an example. It's a frequency 5. It's like this, look like this, like this, like this. It's a frequency 5. And everything in that frequency, it's a frequency of not real person, John Smith. It's a John Smith frequency. And everything in his frequency, it's also same, level 5. Where he sleep, what's part on the bed he sleep, what's building he live, what floor he live, what kind of light in his house, what city, what district he live, what kind of wear he clothes, what kind of music he listen, what kind of movie he watching, what kind of food he eat, with who he communicate, and all that things. It's a frequency 5, and everything same frequency 5 in his life. And if he won't get super abilities or get successful, and he don't have in his frequency, means he cannot develop in his frequency, he cannot get anything from here, because here everything same as his frequency 5. So for it, he should move to another frequency. He should change and switch frequency 5 to frequency 8, where is everything possible, like super abilities or maybe successful. Frequency 8, it's here everything possible, for example, or maybe everything there successful, or always you get lucky in that frequency. And if you switch from one frequency to another one, then you begin see some, for example, super abilities, like you begin see that things, maybe special people or lucky things, or maybe successful things begin to stick to you. Okay, for example, it's a John Smith. It's a John Smith, and here have many different frequency, and his frequency 5. So, and he connect to that frequency 5, to that frequency, and for become to that frequency, he should disconnect from 5 and connect to 8, to frequency 8, and then everything in his life will begin change, and then he will begin see super abilities or maybe some successful things. How I tell before, how to switch from one frequency to another frequency. You should disconnect you from your frequency by cancel and delete your elements. What I speak about it before in that video. Movies, music, clothes, place, friends. You should try to throw away that things and get in your new and try to connect to new frequency by new elements. Okay, like this. If I will put here, it's a scales. Here frequency 5, here frequency 8. So in your frequency, you should throw away everything. We shouldn't keep you in your frequency, whereas have problem or maybe uncertainty, maybe poor things like it. And you should stay at least 20% from your old world and 80% from new world. And then by that way you will connect to new frequency, whereas in other things possible. In that things maybe you can see how to get money, or maybe how to do super abilities. You begin see that things But if you will come back to your frequency and try to explain that things to your friends, your family, everything from your old frequency, they will not understand you. They will not believe you. They cannot see that things because they in their frequency, level 5. And they cannot see each other, you know. That's why you should connect from one frequency to another frequency and get good result. There was one person who say, I will give you $1 billion if you will come to my home and show me your super abilities, any super abilities. And so many people come to his house and they cannot show him anything, so he not give to nobody. Why? Because his frequency, on his frequency, don't have magic, don't have super abilities. And people come who can see that things, come to his house. Everything he like a join to his frequency, whereas everything around say to you, here don't have super abilities. How let him see all super abilities? For it, need bring him to your frequency, invite him to your house, give him your tea, let him sit on your chair, give him like your clothes, your t-shirt, let him listen your music, and then by that elements he begin to connect to your frequency, whereas super abilities possible, and then he will see that thing. Also you can build your own frequency. I'm also doing, and I have list of frequency of be strong, be man, like a real man, love, happiness, wealth, travel, many different frequency, and I'm switched by myself from one frequency to another. Depends what I need from life today or tomorrow. And it's also like if you have many problems, or maybe you don't have money on your frequency, it's in your frequency you don't have money. In your frequency have many problems. So if you will switch from one frequency to another frequency, whereas don't have problem, whereas have money, then you will see how your life automatically changes. Sometimes people have problem and they come to fortune teller and say, I borrow a lot of money and I don't have, I should give them money. And somebody wanna kill them. So what to do? Fortune teller. Fortune teller give another frequency, and when person connect to another frequency, everything in his life solved by itself, because another frequency where it don't have problem and everything good. If you still not understand about frequency, you can watch freely my playlist frequency, and also I have book frequency on my website. You can freely read that book, dmytro.com. You can find the link below. And also, if you want individual consultation and speak with me, write to my mail and say you want consultation. I post video almost every day, so subscribe my YouTube channel, put notification, be with me from beginning. Thank you for watching my video. Develop yourself.